Hey guys, welcome back. We have a new update available for OnePlus 5 and 5T users, which is Oxygen OS 9.0.2, and the update size for OnePlus 5T was somewhere around 198 MB, but as on my OnePlus 5 the device bootloader is unlocked, so I received the full size, that is 1.742 GB. And this update is an hotfix update. Previously we had the similar changelogs available on Oxygen OS 9.0.1. And the update is being rolled out in the batches, so it might take some time to get it on your device. I got the OTA update by directly going to the system update section, and here I did not use any kind of VPN services. So let's download this update and finalize the installation process. Device have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about section, and here you can see my device is OnePlus 5, Android version is Android 9.0, security patch remains 1st December 2018, and the build date is 7th January 2019, and the Oxygen OS version is 9.0.2. Moving on with the changelogs. So these are the changelogs related to Oxygen OS 9.0.2, which brings hotfix related to Wi-Fi connectivity and navigation buttons. Then they have done few system optimizations which were previously available on Oxygen OS 9.0.1. So first one, it says fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues with the third-party application. You guys let me know in the comment section below, did any of you guys face any kind of issues related to Wi-Fi connectivity with third-party applications? Then they have also fixed issues with the physical navigation button not working at times, but I did not face any kind of issues related to navigation buttons on my previous update. Moving on to the next changelog, which is related to system. Here few optimizations are done. Optimize RGB display mode. So RGB display mode can be found inside settings, display, screen calibration. So here we have the sRGB mode. It won't be a noticeable change, few optimizations have been done here. Then they have optimized the reading mode. So reading mode also can be found inside the display settings. Here we have the reading mode. You can select the apps which you want to include inside the reading mode. With reading mode also they have done few optimizations. Later fix issues with the 4G toggle missing and fix random reboots when screencasting. So screencasting was already fixed in the Oxygen OS 9.0.1, in which I had no issues while casting the screen. So guys, these are the complete changelogs of Oxygen OS 9.0.2, and with this update launcher has also been updated to version 3.2. With this launcher version, recommended tool option have been added under toolbox. Camera version remains the same, which is 3.0.13, which was available on Oxygen OS 9.0.1. Now moving on to the performance part, let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and AnTuTu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 1926, wherein multi-core have scored 6606. With AnTuTu benchmark application, device have scored 1,91,713, but on the previous version of Oxygen OS, the device had scored more than 2 lakh and the scores were somewhere around 2,09,000. So guys, this was all about Oxygen OS 9.0.2. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.